Hi guys, this is Jonathan Roy here. I wanted to show you a little bit about Google Go platform. Google Go is going to hands-free read you a web page without any problems here. I want to show you how to install Google Go on Android with debugging issues solved. So let's show you a little bit about Google Go real quick. Now, you'll go to your Play Store typically on most phones, don't have any problem. You'll go up to your search bar and type in Google Go. Google Go will appear, you'll install, and after you install you'll open it. This platform here reads the entire web page for you hands-free. It's pretty convenient. Let's see, best desserts. So you'll search best desserts of 2019. You'll click into the web page here or whatever you're searching. Once the platform loads, it will give you an option to play down here. So you'll play it.
Published by Taste of Home.
On the phone, it
We
will
collected our very best desserts just for you.
tell
These
you
are the
what's
most
going
liked,
on.
most shared, and highest rated dessert recipes from 2019.
Now,
100.
you can
Caramel pecan cheesecake pie.
change the
In fall or
speed.
any time of year, this nutty, rich, and delicious pecan pie recipe is one I am proud to serve.
And
While it
the
seems very
speed
special, this
will
caramel
read
pecan
faster.
cheesecake is a snap to make.
If you want to go back 10
Becky,
words,
Time of year, this nutty, rich, and delicious
It'll go
pecan
back
pie recipe.
10,
The best desserts of 2019.
10 words, and if you want
Published
to
by
speed
Taste
up
of
10 words,
Caramel pecan cheesecake pie.
it will,
In fall or any time of year,
speed
this
up
nutty,
10
rich,
words.
and delicious pecan.
and you can
This
just
pecan
change
pie
the
recipe is
speed
what I am proud to
of
serve.
how fast
While
it's
it seems
reading.
very special, this caramel pecan cheesecake is a snap to make. Becky Ruff, Monona, Iowa. 2/100ths. Chocolate chip cookie delight.
Okay.
This is a simple chocolate delight recipe for any type of public occasion, and the
So
pan
it's
always
real
comes home
convenient
empty.
for reading
Diane
web
Whitley, Grace,
pages,
Idaho.
especially when you're getting
Subscription box.
distractions and you got a pair of earphones on. You do pretty good. So, yeah, it's about that easy, but I want to show you this debugging issue real quick. As a developer, let's see. When I go into Google Play Store, let's see. We are doing real quick. Okay. We'll go into Google Play Store here, and when we try to download something, say highlight web page, you'll click on something to download and it won't install, and you'll just get you'll get the circle thing going up there, and it just won't install for nothing. Because it needs a Wi-Fi connection. Well, I had rebooted my phone and everything, so it wants to download for me. But to solve that issue, you'll want to go to your settings, and in settings you'll go to general, you'll go up to your applications, apps, notifications, go to all apps, make sure that you're in all apps up here, and you'll reset app preferences. It'll reset all the app preferences, and then you'll go down to your Google Play services here, or was it Google Play Store? Once you get into Google Play Store, you'll go down to your storage and you'll clear data. You'll clear your cache, and once that's done, you want to go into your Windows bar here, and you want to clear all your windows out. And typically, oh, I gotta select a new home screen because I reset preferences. Typically, after you do that, you can go into the Play Store and you can download without Wi-Fi in your thing, in your Play Store. But I've also noticed if you go up here to, say, your Wi-Fi settings, you might want to go into your advanced Wi-Fi up here and have it automatically switch to mobile data if it's not switching for the Wi-Fi. And at the very least, if you're having trouble getting your app store to download an app, or I mean at the very last here, you might have, I'm in developer options because I'm a developer. You'll go into developer options. You might have to turn off your developer options up here, and if you do so, you'll have to go back after you get your app downloaded. If you're switched off of developer options, you'll go back into your software info down here, and you'll click on your build number 7 times, and then it'll re-enable your developer options. And once you're re-enabled in developer options and you're a developer and you need debugging, you'll re-enable your debugging mode here, and once that's available, you'll have your PTP and MTP options for screencast, or if you're playing with music and you need MIDI or other types of things like projectors or anything, you can enable your MIDI device. Okay, so that's about it. Let's just remember that that was Google Go, and Google Go is awesome. It helps you conveniently read web pages hands-free without any problems, at any desired speed that you want. And that's it. That's all you need to know. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.